So using the ABS function, so you have a data set and you want to find the variance between the actual spend and the budget for each category item. So there are two ways to go about it. The first one, what do? You just directly subtract budget from actual, that is cell C2 minus cell D2, and you press enter. Once you are done, you can double click here and it gives you the variance. But here lies the case, you are not interested in finding whether it's a positive or negative, and you want to use the ABS function to take it out. You come here, input ABS value, then you enter the ABS function. So you come here, input ABS into bracket and the number, you select the cell E2 and close bracket, then you drag it down, double click, then you are done. But there is another way. Should you want the absolute values directly without it reflecting in the variance and you going through this long procedure, what do? Let's delete this. We come in here, let's also delete this. Then we start by stating plus or is equal to ABS into bracket this cell, that's C2 minus D2, and you close bracket. Once you do this, it returns the absolute value for it and you are done without needing you to create a different column and now applying the ABS function on it. Thank you.